What's up with the bros?
How's it going?
Welcome back to the channel. Today we are here to show off the new 700s. Well,
The
new 700s. The new and improved with new parts and whatever else we got. You're at 0.0. I'm at 2.0.
No, I'm at -1.
Negative. Regardless, we've got a few updates for the four-wheelers, good and bad. Money updates and stuff like that. Well, not for mine, obviously, because we're not going to talk about all the money I've spent on this darn thing. We'll talk about the money you're going to spend on yours.
I got you beat.
Yeah, you definitely got me beat. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the time being. Just be sure to check out the newest video that's going to be coming out soon on our channel. It's the Hickory Speedway video. We went up there with Travis. He did pretty good. Performed really well. So, but Andrew wasn't there.
Just shaking my head because I'm just assuming because I didn't see it.
He wasn't there. He'll see it the same time you guys will see it. But yeah. But yeah, we'll play. All right, we're gonna pray for the video. I'm gonna let him do it.
Sound like Scrappy.
Yeah. Well, yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna let him pray for the video, and then we'll get right into giving the updates for both the quads. So we'll see you guys in just a bit.
All right, let's pray. Dear Lord, thank you for this day. Thank you for bringing me here safely. I just ask to put your hedge of protection around everyone watching this video. Just keep us all safe from everything that's going on right now. Just pray for safety for Will with the adventures he's about to embark on. Safety for me as well, just with life and work. And just, I guess, help us keep our mentally sane natures with these four-wheelers because they're really annoying sometimes. And in your name we pray. Amen.
Amen.
Let's get right into the video.
Alright, welcome back guys. So obviously this is the 2020 Raptor 700R that we bought way back when. Basically all the stuff that we've done into it so far has just been some small update things here and there. Obviously front bumper, got rid of the plastic one. Back bumper, we did a full body skid plate. There's a bunch of tutorials all over the channel about that. And it goes all the way from the very front, right below the bumper, all the way to the back where the chain and the brake is. So those are just small individual things that we got a chance to get a hold of, get some money to do. But as of right now, we're making plans to go up to a place in West Virginia to do a GNCC style race. Now this is all depending upon me at the moment. Recently I was riding the 250 out in the back trying to do some training. I'll probably try and throw a clip in there, probably my best lap. Hurt myself. I ended up dislocating my knee and spraining my ankle area a bit. I had the boots on so I didn't break my ankle, thankfully.
Freak accident.
Yeah, I was trying to do my best and I just slipped after we had a hurricane come through, the one that hit Louisiana. By the way, if anyone from Louisiana is watching our video, our hearts are out to you guys. Stay safe as the flooding and everything dies down. But as of right now, I basically just, hurt myself really bad, so I'm trying to get back into the swing of things. And the other thing that we need to do is we need to add these new Power Mad. I can't. There's no E. Power Mad. I just got glasses. I have no excuse. I got them off Amazon. It's supposed to go on kind of like this, or right about here, I suppose. They're supposed to protect your hands from mud and anything like that. So
Tree limbs.
Anything that'll be sure to hurt you. But yeah, those are the two things that we need to do for this bad boy. And then obviously these, but we're waiting on rims.
The big meaty boys. What size are these?
I honestly have no idea. I haven't been in so long.
20 by 11 by 9.
These things are gonna shred whenever we put them on the track.
Are those 9-inch ones? I guess the rears are. And the fronts are 21 by 7 by 10. There's a 10 right under there.
Yeah, those are on back order.
If you're wondering what size those are. Big meaty boys.
Also bought off of Amazon. So.
I mean, hey, two of your fronts take up one of your rear.
Hey, whatever works. Whatever works. But yeah, that's basically all we've got for this one, update-wise. So I guess we'll go ahead and transition to you and your bike.
Welcome back, guys. Hope you liked our little cinematic of the frame. Yeah, so updates on mine. Dude, really, the only thing wrong with it is my alignment's a little bit off. You see that tire right there is a little towed in. That's it. Update done. Bye. End of video. Play outro.
Roll the credits. What's up, Wheeler Bros? I want to say a huge thank you to everyone who have subscribed.
Yeah, no, I lied. Obviously. In all reality, the updates I have, I fixed the handlebars. I took off the risers just because you need an extended brake line, and I really don't want to buy an extended brake line, just because I'm cheap.
Very cheap.
Yeah.
I don't even think I got your head in for that bit.
Yeah. Haven't really done much. We took the rear brake caliper off because it seized while sitting. It seized while sitting. There was no brake pressure on it.
Well, you know what they always say, a body in motion stays in motion. I guess that goes the same for a quad.
No, you don't understand. This thing, this stupid thing over here.
The parts.
Yeah, it's still sitting. This stupid thing, the piston is so seized. I've been beating it with a socket and a mallet, right? It took me 2 days and the power of Gurr
Oh yeah, he broke it off
to get these the guide pins out. I don't know where you put them. Where are the guide pins?
Right here, our working space is
And
kind
they're
tasty.
yeah, they're so nasty. But yeah, that piston is absurdly stuck, and these pads got a lot of life left in them, but they don't look great. This thing is bent. Like if you look straight on it, this piece right here is bent out for some reason. Don't know why. So we've got a new set of them anyway that Gurr said I could have.
Yeah, I think those were supposed to be for mine if I had messed them up.
Yeah,
but,
that's what they were. So now they're for mine.
Yep.
So engine updates. That's all what y'all really want to hear. Engine came along great. We got the new head. We got crankcases. Went to go put the crankcases together. Realized, oh no, the rod is bent. The rod is bent.
Ta-da.
So you can't just buy a rod by itself. Oh no, you have to buy a crank. So now we're waiting on a crank and a rod. Yeah. Don't know when that's gonna be here. COVID still screwed all this up because shipping is awful.
Like we said with the beadlock tire rims, but we're waiting for powder coat. It's a whole nother different scenario.
Yeah. Everything else on here is good. I don't know if I told you guys, but the sprocket back here was loose. Like it had play in it, but all I did was tighten the axle nut up, and it should be good. Or it's good now. Has no play in it. Really, the main things I've got to fix at the moment. I've got to get the motor back and the rear brakes. But I mean, do I really need rear brakes?
If you want to stop effectively, maybe.
I've got front brakes.
Well, at least downhill, so you don't go over the handlebars.
Yeah, you only live once. Yeah, I was trying to clean out these lines earlier. I cleaned out the oil line yesterday while I was here. Or at least there was a ton of metal shavings just all around this. I think I got everything out of it. It was oily and gross.
Yeah, that's a part of our engine take apart series. So be sure to go check out those
Goes in
bits
there
and pieces on the
like
channel.
that. I don't know if I want to reuse this or not. These lines seem clean. The oil filter looked fine, but I don't know. I tried cleaning this, but this is just gross. So we might just need to start it, like once we get the motor back, start it, run it for 30 minutes, change the oil, do that a couple times, just rinse everything out. Same thing with the cooling system, because I don't know what the heck has been in there. Radiator looks pretty clean. But yeah, main things, we're just waiting on the motor. That's the name of the game right now. Can't do much else without the motor, because I mean the vacuum over there right now has more horsepower than the Raptor. 4 1/4.
0.
None. But yeah, that's basically it. Once we get this thing up and running and reliable, then we'll really start going into it, like new stuff,
Like that.
parts, bumpers.
We definitely gotta get you on the DRW train, because that thing saved my neck multiple times while I was at Outback, which is another place that we're gonna be going to in the future.
Yeah. Well, we gotta get the motor back first.
Yeah, I'm
Well,
I'm
I will
aware.
be putting a case saver on there. Don't worry. Because there wasn't one on there apparently last time at all.
Could use this one, but it's not as much protection as the DRW one.
No. And yeah, I haven't been in the videos as much because I've been working.
Making money to pay for this. And gas.
Not making enough money. But yeah, I'll try and get back over here some. Just school, money, work. Why are you getting so close to my face? I think after we get done, we're gonna kind of just spruce up his a little bit, clean it up, take some stuff off, put some stuff on. Yeah, other than that, that's about it for both of them. Just waiting on the motor.
Welcome back.
Finish the update.
Very eventful.
Not really. Mine's just dead, and yours is alive. In hibernation.
My knee is dead.
Yeah. Regardless, that's basically all we got for mine. Just waiting on motor parts. His just kind of waiting on his leg to heal, basically.
Almost there. Worst comes to worst, I'll just slap a brace on it, go do the race.
Yeah.
Put a brace on, do the race.
So yeah, I think after this we're gonna put those tires on. We're gonna take them off tomorrow to get them mounted.
That's at Kyle's A&M Cycles.
Yes.
Link in the description.
Yes.
Where his engine's at.
Yes, that's where my engine's at. That's where everything's at. We use him for everything. Go check him out.
You can get basically anything you want from there. Air filters, oil filters, parts, services, you name it, he's got it.
Mm-hmm.
Go check him out. Description down below.
Nice guy. I'm hoping he'll give me their family discount if they have one.
We don't have a family
Yeah,
discount. But no, we show up, he gives us the same price as everybody else.
Yeah, but he's
Really cool.
He's a lot easier to work with than like say your big dealers or anything like that. Your
We're
big
not going to
mechanic shop.
specify so we don't dog anybody like the local people.
Alright, yeah, sorry about that. People came in and informed us that there is food. But yeah, no. Sorry, I guess I have a cough. I didn't mean to.
Nothing wrong.
Yeah.
Nothing wrong.
Regardless. That's it. That's the update. Thank you guys for watching. If you did stick around until now, comment.
Hickory. Comment Hickory.
Comment
Next
Hickory.
video.
Yeah.
Because I have nothing else to post. Hickory. If I see a bunch of hickories in the comment section, they're all going to get liked. Anyone else? No likes. Nobody. No nothing.
Alright.
Shame.
That'll be it. We gotta get to going to eat and yeah,
Sustenance.
nutrients. Alright. See you
Outro.
guys in the next video.
Bye-bye. What's up, Breather Bros? I want to say a huge thank you to everyone who has subscribed, and I want to say a huge thank you to your support. It has meant the world to us.
And if you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so. It's free, you can change your mind at any time, plus it helps out the channel.
If you guys want to stay connected with us throughout everything we do, please be sure to go follow our links in the description down below. And yeah. Speaking of description, we have links in our description all the way from parks that you guys have seen on the channel, all the way down to our biggest supporter, Mr. Travis Truett at Skyline Signs. And as always, I'd like to say a huge thank you, and thank you guys for watching. See you guys next time. Let's go.